Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The personality of Godhead, the master of all living entities, existed prior to the creation as one without a second. It is by his will only that creation is made possible, and again everything merges in him. This supreme self is symptomized by different names. The great sage here begins to explain the purpose of the 4 original verses of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Although they have no access to the Srimad Bhagavatam, the followers of the Mayavad, impersonalist, school sometimes screw out an imaginary explanation of the original 4 verses, but we must accept the actual explanation given herein by Maitreya Muni, because he, along with Uddhav, personally heard it directly from the Lord. The first line of the original 4 verses runs, Aham eva samavagre. The word aham is misinterpreted by the Mayavad school into meanings which no one but the interpreter can understand. Here aham is explained as the supreme personality of Godhead, not the individual living entities. Before the creation there was only the personality of Godhead. There were no Purusha incarnations and certainly no living entities, nor was there the material energy by which the manifested creation is effected. The Purusha incarnations and all the different energies of the Supreme Lord were merged in him only. The personality of Godhead is described herein as the master of all other living entities. He is like the sun disk, and the living entities are like the molecules of the sun's rays. This existence of the Lord before the creation is confirmed by the Shrutis, Vasudevo Dharmagra Asitna Brahmana Kashankara, Eko Vainarayana Asina Brahma Neshana. Because everything that be is an emanation from the personality of Godhead, he always exists alone without a second. He can so exist because he is all-perfect and omnipotent. Everything other than him, including his plenary expansions, the Vishnu Tattvas, is his part and parcel. Before the creation there were no Karananavashi or Garbhodakshai or Shirodakshai Vishnus, or was there Brahma nor Shankara. The Vishnu plenary expansion and the living entities beginning from Brahma are separated parts and parcels. Although the spiritual existence was there with the Lord, the material existence was dormant in him. By his will only is the material manifestation done and undone. The diversity of the Vaikuntha Lok is one with the Lord, just as the diversity of soldiers is one with and the same as the king. As explained in Bhagavad Gita, the material creation takes place at intervals by the will of the Lord, and in the periods between dissolution and creation. The living entities and the material energy remain dormant in him.